Welcome to class 2 math class. So we have been solving the problems from the chapter counting in groups. And in our previous classes we have already solved some problems. And in today's class we will try to solve the rest of the problems. So let us try to solve the problems. Let us come to the text. So this is Seema's sensory. And let us read the text. Shima has made a design with different bindis. Look at the groups and guess the total number of bindis. So here you can see in this picture Shima, she has made a beautiful design with bindis and we have to guess the number of bindis she has used. And to do so, let us count the number of bindis in one or two groups. Certainly we will not count all the bindis here. Rather, we will count one or two groups of bindis from here. Okay, let us count. So this is a group of bindis and let us count how many bindis are there in this group. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So in this group of bindis there are 10 bindis. And now let us count the number of bindis in this group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But we can count in other ways also. Look, how many bindis are there? Here there is only one bindi. So 1 in this row. Here there are 2 bindis. Here there are 3 bindis. And in the last group there are 4 bindis. And if we count all these, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 4, which means there are in total 10 bindis in this group also. So you can easily understand that in all the groups there are 10 bindis. So there are 10 bindis in each of this group. And now let us count how many groups are there. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So there are total 8 groups of bindis, and as we have already counted 2 groups of bindis and we have seen that there are 10 bindis in each group. So we have got two things. One is there are total 8 groups of bindis, and the other thing that in each group of bindis there are 10 bindis. So in total how many bindis are there? Yes, in total there are 80 bindis. So Shima has used 80 bindis in total to make this design. Now let us read the other instructions. Number 2. this one. Draw more groups to complete 100 bindis. And how many more bindis did you have to draw? So let us try. So in this design made by Shima, she has used 80 bindis, and we have to draw more bindis, or we have to create more groups to complete our design of 100 bindis. So we can do one thing. We can create a group here, a group of bindis here, and in each group we will draw 10 bindis, or we will use 10 bindis. So here in this group I have used 10 bindis, and it makes a design of 90 bindis in total. So now let us create another group here, a group of bindis. Again in this group I have used 10 bindis here, and it makes this design a design of 100 bindis. So here you can easily see that here one group of bindis is drawn or used. Again in here another group of bindis are used. So in total we have used two groups of bindis, and in total of bindis there are 10 plus 10, 20 bindis. So to make this design done by Shima, a design of 100 bindis, we had to use two groups of bindis and 20 bindis in total. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.